Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome for the month of October. I love this subscription because it is completely random mystery items that normally don't have a theme, but normally useful products. So the first thing I'm pulling out, this is as seen on YouTube, Crazy Flow 3D Kinetic Sculpture and Interactive Spring Toy. I don't think I've ever seen that. Oh, that's funny. Jackson actually just did a fundraiser, and one of the prizes was one of these. And he wanted it and didn't get it because he didn't sell enough. So that's funny. He has one now. That's kind of cool. So you can wear it like a normal bracelet, and then I guess you can do all sorts of stuff with it. That's interesting. He will be excited for that. That's cool. Let's see what else we got. Remote LED night switch. I do have one of these, but I don't have a remote one. If this is like one I have, it's battery operated, so you could like stick it anywhere. It has a magnet on the back. I don't know why, but you could like stick it to your fridge or, you know, anywhere that a magnet would work. I have one in my closet for like my kids' rooms, just so if I'm fumbling around at night, I could see in there without making it too bright. So that's really cool. Again, a useful item. So we got that. And we got some socks, which is completely random. These are men's crew socks. Just plain black. So that's cool. Normally, we get a piece of paper inside with like some crossword puzzle type brain teaser things, but that didn't come this month, which it normally does. But that is what I got, those 3 items. If you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I'll put all the information below. And if you want to see past bags that I've gotten, I will link a playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.